One of the fundamental requirements of any engine structure is that it should not fail in service. And much of the skill of the structural engineer lies in recognizing that there are several possible modes of failure and in guarding against them in its design. So, in addition to chemical failure by environmental corrosion, the other main modes of mechanical failure which a designer need to consider are failure by elastic instability, which is also called buckling, failure by excessive large plastic deformation, jamming, failure by gross plastic deformation, which is also called yielding of the material, failure by tensile instability, which is called as necking formation. For an example, in tensile test, necking process is there after reaching the ultimate stress. Failure by fast fractures. This is the last thing and it is called by cracking of the material. Thank you.